Hello everyone, this is Chirantana RR. So this is for my data science and business analytics internship of Jan 21 batch at the Sparks Foundation. So I need to perform exploratory data analysis on the sports IPL data set. So the question here says to perform the EDA on a given data set, and as a sports analyst, find out the most successful teams, players and factors contributing win or loss of a team. Also suggest teams or players or if a company should endorse for its more products. So, importing the libraries and then next loading the data sets, and then afterwards looking into the data insights like shape, columns of both data sets here. And then you drop out all the unrequired columns of these umpires which you really don't need. Printing the first 5 rows for both columns. And now let's check out the missing values. So you can see for a city and a player of match, there are a few missing values, and in the second data set, there's quite a lot. After I calculated the percentage of the data missing in the DF2 data set, it's like 13.6%, which is not quite a lot, but still, we'll check it out. And then you checking out the unique values of the data set 1. So here we can conclude that the number of seasons were 12 and total number of teams were 15, and then it happened in 31 cities and 41 different stadiums where IPL was conducted. Now looking into the unique values of the second data frame, you can see that the total batsmen were 516, total bowlers 405, total fielders 499. And the most important and crucial step in many data analysis would be describe method, where you would get the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, and a lot more for both data sets again. Now let's find out the maximum number of cities where the games were held, and it was clearly seen that maximum number of games were held at Mumbai. And here we notice an error. So basically Bangalore and Bengaluru are same. So basically Bengaluru is a newly coined term, but Bangalore is quite famous now. So let's combine both the things into Bangalore so that not to miss out a small bit of data too. So here we can see that Bangalore is the second city after Mumbai where a lot of IPL matches were held. And now looking into the teams, and we'll again replace Rising Pune Supergiant into Rising Pune Supergiants, which is like clearly the same, to not miss out on any data. And we can see that Mumbai Indians have played the most number of matches. Now venue where matches were held, clearly it's Eden Gardens, then M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, and so on. Eden Gardens, Wakhande Stadium, and M. Chinnaswamy Stadium were the top 3 stadiums where most IPL matches were held. So here, after sorting, so we can see that this data set contains IPL seasons from 2008 to 2019. And now you can see that Mumbai Indians has won the maximum number of matches, followed by CSK, KKR and RCB. And here we can analyze that we can see that the toss winners got a clear chance in winning. So let's analyze this in much deeper. So here you can see the number of percentage where teams opt fielding first, which is quite a lot. 65.9% choose to bowl first, and then whereas 34.2% choose to bat first. So now let's see if toss winning has helped in match winning. Not by a greater percentage, but still winning toss does play a minor role in team winning, as they get a lucky chance to choose their team strength and play against opponent's weakness. Now analyzing the winner, implementing the player plots, and visualizing the number of matches won by each team. Kolkata Knight Riders is at the top. And number of stadiums in different cities, Mumbai is at the highest. Now we'll find out the teams which have won the overall IPL in the all seasons from 2008 to 2019. We can definitely see that Mumbai Indians has occurred a lot of times, then followed by CSK and KKR. So venue where most of the IPL matches hosted by Eden Gardens, M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, and so on. So the maximum man of the match was backed by Chris Gale and AB de Villiers. Now looking at the Gale's MOM across all the stadiums, you can see that M. Chinnaswamy Stadium is at the top. So looking at the number of MOM awards backed by the Gale in different stadiums, we can clearly see M. Chinnaswamy Stadium has done wonders to him. So has home match with a huge fan base helped him, or is it just a myth? Now looking into the fielder counts, batsmen, bowlers, these popular bowlers, and analyzing the heat map, runs over the years, and analyzing teams winning by big margins, Chennai Super Kings followed by RCB is at the top. Teams winning by big wicket margin, we can see that Kolkata Knight Riders and then followed by Kings 11 Punjab and RCB is at the top. Now analyzing the strike rate of the batsmen, Chris Gale, K. Pollard, D. Warner, and so on. Now we'll analyze the extras given by bowlers, which play a major part in our team's contribution. We have seen Malinga, though Malinga has a great best average, he gives a lot of extras, followed by P. Kumar and DJ Bravo. So batsman with maximum number of runs will be Virat Kohli. And then bowlers with maximum wicket taker would be Harbhajan Singh. And all the so this is year-wise number of IPL matches held. So we can clearly see that 2008 to 2009 was quite okay, and then it started increasing in around 2010 to 11 and reached its peak at 13. So 11 to 13 where the most number of matches were held. So these are the insights. So after insights, we can come to the conclusion and solution that, as we noticed in the data set, Mumbai Indians, Chennai Super Kings, Kolkata Knight Riders, and Royal Challengers Bangalore are the top teams. Though RCB being exceptionally good at the best players and maximum number of matches won with the great margins, still no result in the overall IPL seasons. Hence, auction should be done not just with picking the best, instead of picking the most consistent players. So MS Dhoni, KD Karthik, RV Uthappa, SK Raina, AB de Villiers. So basically all these popular fielders, popular batsmen and popular bowlers should be the team members where the other advertising companies should first go for their endorsement. So this was my EDA on IPL data set. Thank you so much.